Hello, welcome to today's tutorial on how to sign up your shop onto the ShaQ Express e-commerce platform. To register your shop onto the ShaQ Express e-commerce platform, you can visit any of our social media pages to find the partnership link to register. You can also go to our website and fill a form to register as a vendor. First, type in shaquexpress.com. Then select Partners and choose Become a Vendor. So this brings you to the partnership form. First, you have to enter your business name. So I'm going to call my business The Baby Shop. Then enter your email address and your phone number. Then you have to select the city in which you are located. And then give a more specified location. Then you have to select your business type. In this case, you can either be a shop, a pharmacy, or supermarket. So I'm going to select shop and click on submit. After submitting your form, you will receive an email with your email address and a temporary password, which will give you access to the vendor dashboard where you can start uploading your products.